Hello and welcome to the Centenary edition of my new acquisition from Hornby. And here it is. It's a replica of the 1920s tin plate clockwork, produced in 4 colours and limited editions. This one is 096, 96 of 100. They only produced 100 of each of these. They've actually just delivered them, and they are, say, electric. And here she is in all her glory. She's working on the standard Hornby controller, on a 3-rail system, of course, with the pickup in the middle. Hello, and what's this? Well, following on behind is the clockwork version. And here she is, running on clockwork. Back in the station, ready to come out. And here she is with a bit of freight on the back. These are the original carriages, wagons of the era, whatever it is. Right, well that's the end of this short viewing of the Centenary O-gauge tin plate locomotive by Hornby. As I just to explain, this is a 100-year Centenary edition, made in 4 colours, and only 100 worldwide of each one, and this is one of 100. So very rare to see. The original one was made to run on clockwork, but this one has an electric motor in it, and as you see, it makes it very flexible and controllable. I had it running on the standard Hornby controller and wall socket for the power, and it was actually on a Lionel 3-rail O gauge. This layout is I've been working on for several years actually, and just finishing. It's a Hogwarts express train, and it's Hogwarts Great Hall and Hogwarts Station, Diagon Alley, the rooms of requirements, etc., and all the figures. I will actually do a separate video on that, but I had to bite the bullet and utilise this for the Hornby one. I have actually an unassembled Hornby one which I intend putting together with extensive original buildings, but as it is with this lockdown, I haven't access to everything, so this was the best opportunity to get this video made and share the beauty of this with you all.